Hey y'all, IRIX Guy here, back again with another unboxing video. Now today I have the Advantech cigarette lighter adapter and USB car charger. It has 3 sockets, 120 watts output, 2 USB ports, 3.1 amp total current. See what we got inside there. Get me something to cut this with here. Like that, no sharp packaging to cut me, which is always a positive. The device itself, we're about to get into it. Very nice design. It's black. I like the color of it a lot. It does have an adhesive strip on the bottom, which is nice, especially if you're planning to mount it in your truck like I am. It's got an extra fuse. It's nice to include that. The fuse obviously goes inside of this should it blow. You've got one and then another USB port on the other side, and then these 3 cigarette style plugs in the front. The cable is permanently attached, which I think is a good thing, because it's often easy to misplace these cables, especially if you have multiple DC style devices floating around. I like how you've got an on-off button for the individual DC style cigarette plugs, which is great. Just an all-in-all good looking unit. You can find a link within this video's description where you can order this online. I've also included some more photos in there. Yeah, just a great thing if you're on a road warrior like I am, getting out and going places and need to have those charging capabilities. Is a great way to do it. So please share this video with others and be sure to subscribe. youtube.com/IRIX Guy. Y'all have a good day.